Welcome to Best Choice. The best chair exercises is probably one of the most accessible and effective ways for seniors to maintain their physical health and independence right from the comfort of their homes, offering a low-impact yet powerful approach to improving strength, flexibility, and cardiovascular health without the strain of standing exercises, making it an ideal solution for those seeking to stay active and vibrant as they age. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Row and Ride. Enhance your squat technique with this compact machine. It allows for a greater range of motion while engaging your entire body. It's a trusted, all-in-one solution for both cardio and strength. Achieve a powerful, full-body workout with a single, effective movement. This ergonomic machine targets your glutes, quads, hamstrings, core, back, and shoulders for low-impact training at home. Connect it to the free SunnyFit app for guided workouts and real-time tracking. Access AI-powered plans, global workout tours, and an exclusive community led by top trainers. Tailor your workout with multiple pin lock positions for deep, mid-level, or neutral squats. This versatile setup supports a routine that fits your strength, flexibility, and personal goals. Challenge yourself with 3 built-in resistance bands, providing up to 66 pounds of total resistance. It's perfect for scaling your workouts, whether you're a beginner or advanced. This compact machine folds easily for quick storage, making it ideal for any home gym, apartment, or small space. It's lightweight and simple to move when not in use. Engineered for durability, it supports up to 330 pounds. This machine is built for long-term performance and reliability, suitable for all fitness levels. What we like? This machine offers a comprehensive full-body workout, engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Its connected fitness features provide guided workouts and community support. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution that combines cardio and strength with digital guidance, this is a great choice for home fitness. What people say. This comes set as the most intense, highest resistance mode. But by changing the seat post height and reducing from 3 to 1 the connection of the resistance bands, I can now absolutely use this as a more regular cardio device. It still kicks my butt, but much closer to standard cardio. Squats are what they should be without any of the instability or joint damage that used to be all I got from trying. The row and ride is light, quick, and easy to assemble, and the app is absolutely wonderful. This seems like a stable, easy-to-use upright rowing machine. Setup took about 25 minutes, including interruptions from the dog, and even though some of the written instructions were vague, the accompanying illustrations made things clear. Number 4. Finer Form FID Weight Bench. Introducing the ultimate home gym essential. This versatile bench is designed to support over 100 different exercises, transforming your workout routine. Experience a truly personalized workout. With multiple adjustable positions for the backrest, seat, and pads, it adapts perfectly to any body type and height. Engineered with high-grade, durable materials, this equipment is built to last. It safely supports up to 1,000 pounds, providing a stable foundation for your heaviest lifts. Effectively strengthen your lower back, glutes, and core with targeted hyperextension workouts. It's the ideal addition for comprehensive full-body conditioning. Unlock your full potential with a complimentary workout poster. Discover a wide range of exercises designed to help you achieve your fitness goals. Need to change your workout space? Integrated transport wheels make it incredibly easy to move and store, ensuring convenience in any home gym setup. What we like? This versatile bench allows for over 100 different exercises, making it a complete home gym solution. Its highly customizable design ensures a perfect fit for any body type and workout preference. If you desire a single piece of equipment that can adapt to a vast range of strength training needs and supports heavy lifting, this bench is ideal. What people say. It's very sturdy and does everything they say it will. It's very easily assembled and easy to use once assembled. Putting it together was easy, and once assembled, the whole thing feels solid, much sturdier than a lot of other benches I've used in the past. The design just makes sense. There's enough padding to be comfortable, but it's firm enough for heavy lifting, and the adjustable features work smoothly without any wobble. The bench seems solid, well-built, and versatile for lots of exercises. Number 3. Portable Folding Exercise Bar. Experience superior stability for all your home workouts. Its unique angular design and long base provide a sturdy foundation, unlike other freestanding bar designs. You can even add your own weights for extra stability, and non-slip feet ensure a secure grip on any floor. This portable bar folds and unfolds in seconds thanks to its quick-release hinge. When folded, it's only 5 inches wide, easily sliding under furniture or into a closet. Built-in wheels make transport a breeze. Crafted with a sturdy steel frame and a smooth hardwood bar, this equipment is built to last. It's tested to support over 250 pounds and stands at a studio standard height, perfect for dancers and fitness enthusiasts. Transform your home gym with this versatile piece of equipment. It's ideal for strength, cardio, ballet, and bar exercises, allowing you to target every part of your body. Its design offers stability for various movements and enhances flexibility. Assemble this equipment in minutes with our easy installation video. It features a natural wood bar with sleek accents, complementing any decor. Removable racks and rolling wheels add to its versatility and smooth movement. What we like. This portable bar offers exceptional stability for a variety of exercises, unlike many other freestanding options. Its quick fold design makes storage incredibly easy, fitting into tight spaces. If you are passionate about bar, ballet, or balance training and need a reliable, space-efficient setup for your home, this bar is a fantastic option. What people say. The chair is well made and sturdy, providing excellent support during exercises. It offers a variety of exercises that target different muscle groups, making it a comprehensive workout solution. The design is compact and doesn't take up too much space, which is great for smaller living areas. Number 2. Grow Young Fitness Starter Pack for Seniors. Introducing the Grow Young Fitness Starter Pack, designed specifically for seniors. Enjoy low-impact exercises that are safe and effective, right in the comfort of your own home. Our simple routines focus on improving mobility and strength without strain. It's the perfect way to stay active and healthy as you age. No need to travel to a gym. This DVD provides everything you need for a complete workout session, tailored to your needs. Experience the benefits of regular exercise with movements that are easy on your joints. You'll feel stronger and more energized with each session. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it accessible for everyone. Start your journey to a healthier, more active lifestyle today. What we like. This starter pack focuses on low-impact exercises specifically designed for seniors, ensuring safety and effectiveness. It provides a simple and accessible way to begin an exercise routine from the comfort of home. If you are new to exercise or have physical limitations and are looking for a gentle, guided introduction to fitness, this DVD is perfect for you. What people say. Darren does a great job creating several different workouts, each about 30 minutes, or less, that are definitely manageable for the senior citizen or anyone else who wants a low-impact but very effective routine to do at home. This chair exercise video is the best I have seen, and I already am feeling a dramatic change in my balance and less pain. Despite my struggle with knee osteoarthritis and pain, the exercises were enjoyable and did not cause discomfort. They felt like physical therapy for my joints. Number 1. Grow Young Fitness Senior Exercise DVD. Welcome to the Grow Young Fitness Foundation. This DVD is designed specifically for seniors looking to improve their health and vitality. Experience gentle, low-impact exercises that are effective and safe for your body. You'll feel stronger and more energized with every movement. We begin with Chapter 1, focusing on foundational movements to get you started on your fitness journey. Let's ease into it together. This program is tailored to meet the unique needs of seniors. It's about maintaining independence and enjoying an active lifestyle. Join us and discover how easy and enjoyable staying fit can be. Start your journey to a healthier, happier you today. What we like. This DVD offers foundational low-impact workouts tailored for seniors, building upon essential movements. It's structured to help users gradually improve their strength and mobility. If you are a senior looking to establish a consistent and safe exercise routine with clear progression, this DVD provides the necessary guidance. What people say. The coach works out with you in an encouraging and easy-to-follow manner. It contained 10 to 20-minute workouts easily done from a chair. There was variety, which I appreciated. Easy to understand, each session lasts about 15 minutes, so it is easy to take time to quickly play a session. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.